Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the region within the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device and you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage where you will be asked to press any button to start playing. Now underneath this option, you will see your current region that is selected. Just click on this option and now you can choose from the various different regions that are available to choose from. After you choose your desired region, you can simply start your game, and now your game will be based and connected with this region as well. And now when you start playing, you will be paired with players from this region. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the region within the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.